Welcome to today's class, first order differential equation. In this video, we'll be making use of this method, that is separating the variables. Yes, the half order method as well. We have by direct integration, but in this video, we'll be using separating the variables. Okay, now you can see that we have different variables there. We have variable of x and we have variable of y. So that is why we have to separate these variables in such that we bring the variable of x to where there is the x and the variable of y to where there is the y. Okay, so let's solve this problem. We have solution. Okay, we have x, y, the y, the x equals to x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over y plus 1. Okay, so let's do it in this way. Let's cross multiply. So let's cross multiply, or before I cross multiply, let me solve it in this way. I have x, y, the y all over the x. You know, this is still the same thing as this, right? Okay, we have x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over what? Y plus 1. Okay, all right, so let's cross multiply now. This we multiply this, this we multiply this. We have y plus 1, which is multiplying this x, y, the y equals to this, multiply this, we have x squared plus 1 the x, right? Okay, so now if you look at this, you see that we have the y here and we have variable of y here, but we still have variable of x here. So I need to eliminate this variable of x back to where there is x here. You can see that this place now is balanced. Everything here is x with respect to what x here. So let's eliminate this variable of x back here. How are we going to do it? Is by dividing both sides by what? X. By dividing both sides by x. So this we cancel this, right? Here will be left with what? Y plus 1 y the y equals to, at the left we have x squared plus 1 all over x, everything into the x, right? So if I use this y to open a bracket, I will have y times y to give me what? Y squared plus y times 1 to give me y, everything into what? Into the y here equals to, now here I can further simplify this as x raised to the power of 2 over x plus 1 over x, everything into the x. Yes, this is the same thing as this. If you find the LCM of x and x is equals to x, so if you solve this, it's still the same thing as this. So we have, okay, y squared plus y, everything into the y equals to, now if I say x here 1, x we cancel this, I'll be left with what here? X plus 1 over x plus 1 over x into the x, right? Okay, so I can decide to integrate all of them. Yes, let's integrate both sides. We integrate both sides. We have, if you should integrate both sides, so I will integrate this, I will integrate this, but everything is respect to the y here, and likewise I will integrate this, I also integrate this respect to the x here. So if I'm to let's integrate it separately, I will have integral of y squared. As I've said, I'm integrating with respect to what? The y. I'll put the y here, plus integral of this y, the y equals to integral of this x with respect to what? The x, plus integral of 1 over x with respect to what? The x. Okay, so if I'm to integrate y squared, you know, on our integration method, you know, when you integrate y squared, it's same thing as you add 1 to the power, you then divide by everything that is there, that is 2 plus 1. So if I'm to integrate this, I will add 1 to the power. You know, the power there before is 2 plus 1. I will then divide by 2 plus 1. That is for this. Plus, if I'm to integrate this, the power there is what? 1. It's just like raised to the power of 1, right? So I will add 1 to the power. Everything divided by what? 1 plus 1 equals to, if I'm to integrate this, the original power there is 1. So I will add 1 to the power to give me this. I will now divide both sides by 1 plus 1, right? Okay? Plus, whenever I integrate 1 over x, it will always give me ln x. So this will be ln x. And while integrating, please don't forget to put your constant. Our constant. Let's represent our constant to be c. So here I have y 2 plus 1, that is 3 over 3, plus y 1 plus 1, 2 over 2 equals to x raised to the power of 1 plus 1, 2 over 2 plus ln x plus c. So this is our final answer. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Thank you.